Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to download xampp and install it on your computer. So if you follow my steps, you'll be able to download it and do it on your laptop as well. Thank you. On Google, xampp. So as soon as you type it on Google, you will see the results on it. I want you to click the first link, and then you can see for Windows, Linux, and for Mac OS, whatever your OS is, you may download it, and then you can see the version of it, the requirements if you want to see. Then go and download the most recent one. So I think I've already downloaded it before. I'm gonna open it now. I think I have the new one. Yes, I'm gonna run it as administrator. It'll take about 2 minutes to open it. Say yes to everything, yeah, and then next, yeah, next. And then yeah, as soon as you come to the installation, you may select next and install it. It'll take about 2 minutes. Okay, I'll just skip the video to this, and then you may open this, and if you want to search it on search, or just search it as xampp and then start the Apache server and MySQL server, and then you can open a browser. I'm using Firefox. If you want to use Google Chrome also, it's the same way. You can type this address or something else. I'll show you now. If you see this page, I think you have already installed it properly. It's a PHP admin, or you can just type localhost / and press enter. Yeah, if you see this page, you have already installed it properly. Now you can make a database or anything.